Dreaming of starting a music blog, but not sure where to begin? This guide will walk you through the essential steps to get your blog up and running. First, choose a niche within the music industry that excites you. This could be album reviews, concert experiences, artist interviews, or music trends. Having a clear focus helps you attract a dedicated audience. Next, select a blogging platform. Popular options include WordPress, Blogger, and Squarespace. Each offers customizable templates and user-friendly interfaces. For this example, we'll use WordPress. Select a domain name that reflects your blog's theme and personality. A quick tip: make it memorable and easy to spell. Register your domain and choose a reliable hosting provider. Some popular options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and VP Engine, which offers seamless WordPress integration. Once WordPress is installed, choose a theme that aligns with your blog's aesthetics. You can find free themes in the WordPress theme repository or purchase premium themes from sites like Theme Fortress or Elegant Themes. Install your chosen theme by navigating to Appearance, then go to Themes in your WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance and then Customize to tweak your theme's settings. Here you can adjust the layout, colors, fonts, and more to match your brand. Create essential pages such as About, Contact, and Privacy Policy. Plugins add functionality to your blog. Some must-have plugins include Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, Akismet for spam protection, Jetpack for security, performance, and site management, VP Supercache for faster loading times, Google Analytics for tracking site traffic. You can install plugins by navigating to Plugins and then Add New. You can create your first blog post by going to Posts and then Add New. Write engaging and informative content related to your music niche. Use categories and tags to organize your content, making it easier for readers to find what they're looking for. Now you can share your post on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to attract readers. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and joining music-related communities. Consider using email marketing to build a subscriber list and keep your audience updated with new content. Once you have a steady readership, you can monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, ad placements, or a newsletter. You can also offer exclusive content or merchandise to your loyal followers. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to creating a successful blog. Like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.